But I also want to talk a little bit about the confidence factor. The belief and certainty is basically, to me, what the confidence is. Confidence in yourself that you're going to be able to do it. And again, that's where the power of the mind is so effective. But you've also got to recognize that confidence is an emotion that can come and go. It's not something that we have, it's something that we need to create. This morning I heard Brandon Bouchard use the example that a power plant doesn't have energy, it creates energy. And that's what we need to be like with our confidence. We need to continue to build our own confidence in various areas of our lives. And to do that, we've got to start by deciding we're going to be confident. And sometimes that's all you need to do, is be able to decide, I'm going to be confident in this area, and go about doing it. But as we decide to be confident and we start to do things over and over, that's when we're going to be able to build it. And the more you do something, obviously the more you can gain your confidence in it as you get more experience. The more you practice something, turns into a skill, turns into a competency, and it just grows from there. And I think you can see that in pretty much any area of your life, from a baby trying to walk to an adult. The more you do it, the more you have confidence in it. One of the factors that I've heard people talk about with confidence is fear. And if you're confident, does it mean you have no fear? My belief on that is no, it doesn't. Look at a firefighter. Firefighters will fight fires, and that doesn't mean they're not going to have fear, but they're going to be confident in their ability. A Navy SEAL is still going to have the anxieties and fears that go along with their job, but they know what they can do, and they're going to be confident in their abilities. Going back to my rodeo days, as a steer wrestler, I had a lot of confidence in myself. I had tremendous confidence in myself. But there was also a lot of times, I can remember some specific times, that as I backed into the corner ready to go, I was confident in my ability, but the anxiety, and maybe not fear, but whatever it was, I could feel my heart pounding out of my chest. And that doesn't mean I didn't have the confidence. So the fact that you have fear doesn't diminish the confidence. And so that's one thing that we just need to make sure that we can keep a handle on and understanding of. And then a lot of it comes down to your own mindset. And that includes not only the things that you're telling yourself, but your body language, all the different things that, when you're conscious of it, you can control it. And it's the words you speak to yourself, your body language, and just the thoughts that you're allowing to happen. As we focus on creating more powerful rather than disempowering thoughts, we can build our own confidence. And we've talked about this many times in different inner circle masterminds, is there's nothing more powerful than what we can do with our mind. And so once you can start believing in yourself, you're going to be able to have a lot more confidence, and that's going to roll into the cycle of belief and certainty. And that's the entire cycle of where success will build.
Hey, thanks for watching. This was a clip taken from our Inner Circle Mastermind call earlier this week. You can learn more about becoming a member of our Inner Circle on the next screen. So take note of the website that's there. And if you have any questions, email me at jeff@jeffheggie.com. Thanks, and have a great day.